This question is asking us to take this ugly equation and simplify it into something more beautiful. Now, hopefully the first thing that caught your eye was the 7 to the power of 0. And I hope you remembered the zero exponent law that says that anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. That is going to make things a lot easier for us, because this entire term right here is just going to become 1 and disappear. The next thing is our power law that says that this exponent here outside the parentheses is going to be applied inside via multiplication. Now, fortunately for us, we don't have any exponents in here, otherwise we'd have to multiply them in. They have invisible exponents of 1, so 3 times 1 is going to be 3, and 3 times 1 is going to be 3. If that confused you, don't worry about it for now and just watch how it works. So the first thing I'm going to do is continue writing my fraction down here. Now, this exponent needs to multiply to the exponent of the 3 and to the exponent of the 2. There isn't one, so we're just going to write it in, because 3 times 1 is, well, 3. So now we end up with 3 to the power of 3 over 2 to the power of 3. Now we've already said that this 7 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, so we don't need to worry about writing it down. The last thing is dealing with this, and it's going to be applied in the exact same way as this. So we're going to write our fraction down, 1/2, and we take this 2 right here and multiply it by the 1. Well, 1 to the power of 2 is still 1, because 1 times 1 is 1. So if I were to write this as a power of 2 up here, it wouldn't make very much sense. So I'm just not going to. And we also have the 2 to the power of 2. Right now this looks a lot simpler than before, but we can take it one step further. Because we have the similar bases, we can combine these exponents. Now, this is product law. And product law says that if we have two numbers with the same base, in this case our base is 2, we can simply add the exponents. So let's simplify this one step further. So we end up with our 3 to the power of 3, and we can't change that one because nothing else has a base of 3, over 2 to the power of 3 plus 2. Well, that simplifies again to give us 3 to the power of 3 over 2 to the power of 5. And that is going to be our final answer. Now, in case they wanted it as a regular number, you could have taken this one step further, and you could say 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So that would be 27 over, and 2 to the power of 5. Well, that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which gives you 32. So you could have ended up with either of these answers, and they would both be considered correct.